I'm Mila, a host from Homestay Adelaide.
Hi, I'm Mayu. I'm from Japan.
Hi, I'm from Bhutan.
This is Tashi from Thailand.
And we all are Homestay family from Adelaide. And this is one of our beautiful Sundays. Funso and Tashi moved out from us 3 months ago, but they're still part of our family. And that's the most rewarding and beautiful part of being a host. The whole world is coming into your home. Behind the camera, we have a cameraman, our beautiful Lynn. She's from Vietnam and she's living with us and she's part of this beautiful group of people as well. We all care about each other, we spend a lot of time, we always call each other, and this is beautiful part of home. We finally finished all our preparation for our beautiful dinner, lunch actually together. And our homestay family is all at the table and we're going to enjoy these beautiful dumplings. Tash, I was really pleased to host you and Funso in my home for 4 weeks and I had so much fun and I've learned so many things about your country and I'm definitely going to visit my Bhutanese family now. What do you think was the best out of your experience in homestay with us?
So the best thing I could say is, the times like this where, you get together, even if you leave the homestay. So you always get to, have that connection because as a new person or as a new student here in Adelaide, you are overwhelmed to it, I mean,
oh, different things,
different culture.
Yeah.
But yeah, to be in homestay, first thing is you get to know your host properly. And even if you get out of your homestay, you always have that connection, and that's the best thing. And that's what we are doing right now.
And I think I shared my whole experience of living in Australia in Adelaide. And now you love the markets and you know where to buy things and where the best to shop and where to buy petrol and where to get car. So this has all helped as well, right? That's connected us together because as we discussed, the homestay is first of all is sharing and caring and loving each other. And we have our beautiful guests who are even out of homestay, but they still come with us and they like to be part of our family as well. That's homestay.
Yeah.
What do you like about your homestay, Lynn, the most?
I would say my chance to meet with a lot of people from a lot of countries. For example, I met Mayu from Japan. I met Tashi and Funso from
Bhutan.
Yeah, I met Mila from Russia. So yeah, we have 6 people, but already we have how many?
5 different countries.
5 different countries on the table. So that's the best thing.
So it's very much multicultural.
Yes.
Yeah.
I would say homestay is the place where we can prove that the world is much peaceful and loving place that sometimes it's happening in the world. So we have peace and world coming together in homestay.
Yes.
That's it. This is Mayu's very first day at Adelaide Beach. Do you like it, Mayu?
Yeah!
She can't swim just yet because it's a little bit cold today, but it's still enjoyable and look at the view! Where else you can have it? It's amazing, yay! Adelaide is the best city in Australia to live because we have so many beautiful beaches and even on the nasty weather like today you can have fun and jump and have a beautiful view. We have beaches, kilometers and hundreds of kilometers of them. And if you like all seasons of the year, Adelaide is definitely a city for you to live in Australia. That winter, it's not so pleasantly warm. We wouldn't be able to swim in the sea, but it's absolutely beautiful view, isn't it?
And then I do like that. This one, nothing. Okay, like that. Just keep moving like that.
Here is a master class from Chef Tashi and director of Chef Funso. And we have 2 assistants in this kitchen. That's Lynn and Mayu. Hi Mayu. How are you doing with the dumplings masterclass?